welcome to the Advent YouTube channel, and this is Nixon. Today we are going to solve a new problem, linked list insertion. So it is from GeeksforGeeks, and we will be given a linked list initially. We have to insert a node with X value at the beginning, and we have to insert a node with X value at the end. So this is what our procedure, and the expected time complexity is O of 1 for insert at beginning and O of n for insert at the end. So let's start. Initially I am going to create a new node which has to be inserted at the beginning, with X value. Then I'm creating a temporary node, and I'm going to null check whether the head is null or not. Okay. Else we have to directly return the new node. And then here we are going to the main concept is the head is the first initial value. We are going to add this node previous to the head. So this new node, the next of this new node should be this head. So we are going to do that. So new node dot next equal to the head. We have to return this head, the new node. And then let's move to the next function. So here too I'm creating a new node, one with X value, and then creating temporary value called head. I'm going to check the null check. If it is not equal to null, so else the same concept which was followed in this function. So in this area we are going to use a loop. I'm going to use a while loop. So we are going to traverse every values in the linked list. In this area we'll be getting the last value. In this loop we are traversing the complete linked list to the last loop, and then we are going to set up the last loop, the new node dot next equal to null, and then dot next equal to that new node. We are going to return head here. Let's do it. Guys, yes guys, successful, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the Advent YouTube channel, and please don't hesitate to comment if you had any suggestions, guys. Thank you.